Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to select all in Google Drive. So if you want to select all, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do for you to be able to select all files including media in Google Drive, you have to click on your storage option. Then this will open the file available in your storage in Google Drive. So for you to be able to select all, you have to use your the mouse action by just simply use a click and drag option to select your file or bulky file in Google Drive. So for example, now you can see how I use the mouse movement to select those highlighted items on the screen. Then also, if you want to do that, you can simply use the command button, which is Ctrl A, for you to be able to select every single file in your storage in Google Drive. As you can see right here, I have the opportunity to select 50 items at once using the command button, and using the mouse can take a long time for me to be able to achieve this in a few seconds, but with the help of command I can simply do that, which is Ctrl A. And if you're on Mac also, you can use the command A, use the command button, then A, for you to be able to highlight everything at once. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.